Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when they waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us to share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct story. That we dey carry come for una for here. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the story wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, Kemi olunloyo don come outside come talk again for this MOhbad matter. She just dey drag Zlatan for this one, no be small. Say Zlatan say na snitch o. Today Zlatan na dey between the both side o. Say dey chop for here, dey chop for here. My people, no know where this her own from dey come o. Whether na clash dey use her own chase abi na which one she no know. But anyway, I go play una the video now, make una watch, make una lis ten to Kemi olunloyo, controversial journalist. Una hear wetin she talk and make una no forget to like and share this video. Oya watch.
I am the best when it comes to journalism and investigative. You come to me, you don't go into all these different people using clout to make money. I'm not the one using clout. All these people are using clout. And they're misinforming you. First, I'm going to call out people. Zlatan, okay, Berolon. Zlatan, Berolon. She don't seem to have CDM me. So Sophie me pay me my coup of cancer in 2017. 7 years, they pay me in cancer. Not to talk of coup of it. But I'm accused of fraud. But Lomo to fish a comedian. EFCC accused of fraud. One arrested along with Naira Marley, Raymond Jago Boeing. You're the snitch. Okay? You're the snitch in the group. You're eating from both sides, Zlatan. You will release Google videos after the fact. Google videos don't release of MOhbad being assaulted, beaten, the one at the estate, the one on the wheelchair, the one with the broken glass. Why didn't you release these videos before? You know this young man filed a petition, auto release petition, Google column post. We know it's you, Zlatan. At the end of the day, you're eating from both sides. You're friends with the Marlians and you're also friends with MOhbad. And of course, you're also in DMW. Remember what you said about DMW, that somebody within you is giving me all the information. Don't be me very happy. Zlatan, and you're a father of a child. If something like this happens to you, she will like how you might be you're swooning everybody away from Naira Marley and Sam Larry. I have no relationship with Naira Marley. Naira knows that. I've only met him once, spoken to him once. I've talked to him in the DM. He has sent me gifts for my birthday 3 times. And like I said, I've only met him once. I've spoken to him once and I have not spoken to him since then. I appealed for his group when they arrested them with the NDLEA, and that's about it. So this one, everybody is saying that Naira has paid me, Naira has paid me. You know, the people talking are just basic illiterates. And I don't deal with illiterates. I have 3 first-class degrees. I mean, deal with illiterates. I'm on brain. Naira is so for me. Everybody is so for me. She's a billionaire. We should thorough like she journalism. 5 months ago, with my career in journalism. February 9th, 1994. February 9th, 2024. Zlatan was you knew that MOhbad was being assaulted, and you didn't do anything pretty much. Who is assaulting MOhbad? Sam Larry came on, he said he's not the one. I don't know what Naira Marley has said. Gislove told people that on TikTok, if any journalist is doing damage control, flag their pages. They flagged my page on Instagram 39,000 times, and Instagram disabled my page. I posted it, and they said I have 180 days to take action if I want my page back. I don't even want Instagram. I don't like Instagram anymore. I didn't use it for a year. When I came back, I used it for drug abuse prevention, and I'm done with that. I just decided to go back and start doing reels. At the end of the day, it would not sense it to cause so many people. Okay, and you can lay MOhbad so it may don't move inside. Think on your bad daddy. ó lè pa gbogbo èèyàn nílé ọ̀nà ṣe súré lọ sí with a concrete slab on top of it. He was not even Muslim, he was Christian. Zlatan, stop posting shit. If you want to post all these beatings and everything, you should have done that before. I'm accusing you. Yes, you, Zlatan. Okay? When your problem. Láàrin gbogbo yẹn mo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn kan tó sọ pé drug deal kan wà. Pé Naira Marley fẹ́ sọ MOhbad di drug dealer. So MOhbad was on his way to telling the NDLA about the drug deal. So they had to eliminate him. And then Naira Marley decided to walk in there with Sam Larry and wanted to be part of the war on drugs. Sounds like a good line. Sounds like a good strategy. But is that what happened? Zlatan Madake o. Everybody rule. I give you 72 hours to respond to this. Because I have more evidence. Ìwọ ló sọ fún MOhbad kó má lọ sí police invitation. I know you're a cultist. Ìwọ ló sọ fún MOhbad kó má lọ sí invitation kó fi cultism attack gbogbo enemies ẹ̀. Ṣé cultism tó lè fi attack gbogbo enemies ẹ̀? Did it work now? Did it work? He didn't show up at his invitation. People could have been dealt with over there. Now, police. Police has nothing to do with this case. Nobody is going to be exhumed. You saw what his cousin said to me. Pathologist will my fork. If I do autopsies, I'm a pathologist. Me only fork on body bang. Body to the Joe and where to move around. Me dissect to who beat MOhbad? I want him to go to hospital to interrogate. They beat him and they twisted his neck. Yes, he had drugs in his system and he had a very bad heart. Anything could have been contributed to it, but he had a broken neck inside that casket. It's not the casket, it's too small. When somebody dies, their body shrinks. So it's not about small casket. These are allegations. And I'm leveling it on you, Zlatan. You're the problem here. Go and hide your face. You are the problem here. People were out there saying that I got paid by Naira Marley and Sam Larry. Me, in Nigeria, I'm far away from all of you. And you accuse me of something me.